Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So this mullion part on a Kenmore fridge has cracked. This is a brand new fridge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to replace it. So what we'll do now is material and tools. Alright, this is the materials and tools list for this job. So this is our replacement part here. And then I'm going to use a cordless drill with a Phillips bit. If you don't have a cordless drill, a Phillips screwdriver will do the same thing. Now the head of the Phillips will either be a 1 or a 2, but definitely it's not going to be a 3. But guys, this is the materials and tools list for this job, so let's replace this part. There are 2 screws in the middle of the part that are concealing plugs. Take the 2 screws out, and then the part needs to be slid upwards. So the part can just be lifted up, and keep in mind there's still the 2 plugs at the top that need to be removed. One of the plugs is an automotive type that has a tab, and then the other one is just a compression type that you just pull apart. Now the 2 plugs can be reinstalled. So the one plug, make sure that you push in firmly, and for the second plug, make sure that you hear a click from the tab. Put the plugs and wires back into the opening, make sure that you're not pinching anything, and then the parts can be slid down onto its grooves. The 2 screws can be reinstalled. Once they are installed, give the part a shake to make sure it's nice and solid, and then open and close the door a few times to make sure everything is working properly. Last thing that needs to be done is this small rubber cover can be put back into the slot. I don't know what it's for, but it's a decorative cover, so make sure that you don't forget about it. But guys, that is how you replace this part on a Kenmore fridge. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.